Hello everyone, welcome to another session of ITS. In the last video, we talked about the impact of healthcare crisis. Now, during a crisis, many agencies play an important role to tackle the crisis. Government is one such agency. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the role of government during healthcare crisis. But before that, here is a question for you. In your opinion, who can or should decide to impose the lockdown? COVID-19 में, the decision to impose lockdown was taken by Indian government, but that was not the only decision taken by the government. So let's talk about the role of government during a healthcare crisis. एक जो सबसे important role है वो है crisis management and coordination. A crisis can be only managed if all the stakeholders are well coordinated. Public health measures and policy implementation. To tackle a healthcare crisis, government formulates various public health measures. जैसे COVID-19 में quarantine, social distancing, mask wearing were few measures taken by the government. Now, government role is not only limited to formulation of these measures, but also effective implementation. Healthcare system support and strengthening. Healthcare system gets overwhelmed during a healthcare crisis. Government supports it by setting up temporary health facility or increasing the capacity of existing health facility to take care of overwhelming demand. Resource allocation and emergency funding. Government allocates resources such as medical supplies, medical equipments, oxygen cylinder to hospitals and clinics to take care of the increased demand. Also, it provides emergency funding to healthcare workers, professionals in the form of emergency fund, health hazard pay, or provide mental health support also. Communication and public awareness. Government ensures timely and accurate communication to public. ये information किसी भी बारे में हो सकती है. It can be about the nature of the infection or the disease, available resources, preventive measures, and if there is any change in the public health measures. Collaboration with international organizations. Government collaborates with international organizations such as WHO, UN to share information and resources. One good example of this collaboration is that during COVID-19, a joint effort was taken by the government to provide vaccine to affected countries. Vaccine and treatment development and distribution. Government collaborates with private pharmaceutical companies to fund and develop vaccine for taking care of healthcare crisis, and it also distributes those vaccines to the population, which ensures the equitable access to treatment. Economic support and relief package. कोविड-19 के दौरान ऐसा देखा गया कि बहुत सारी families suffered many tragedies, many family members died because of COVID-19. Government provides economic support and relief package to such families also. Now the point is, like हर सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं, इसी तरह role of government during a healthcare crisis has many pros and cons also. तो चलिए सबसे पहले हम pros की बात करते हैं. Efficient resource coordination is one thing which government can ensure because of its wide network, access and authority. Budget जो है वो government का prerogative होता है, तो quick budget allocation भी government से अच्छा कोई नहीं कर सकता. Accurate information and public education, because government is privy to new development, new information. So government जो है वो information public के साथ share कर सकती है to spread and aware citizens, mass vaccination and herd immunity. क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट का इतना वाइड नेटवर्क है, इट कैन ऑर्गेनाइज लार्ज स्केल कैंपेन्स एंड ड्राइव. मास वैक्सीनेशन के लिए भी वाइड नेटवर्क की जरूरत होती है, जो गवर्नमेंट कैन डू वेरी वेल. Equitable access to healthcare, because government fund development of vaccine, and it is government which is distributing those medicines or vaccines to population, so that ensures the equitable access to population. Bulk procurement of supplies, government gives big order for vaccination and medicine because government has the fund and resources, so government can do all these jobs well. तो ये तो सारे advantages है of government involvement. What are the disadvantages or cons? One disadvantage is delayed decision making, which happens because of long bureaucratic procedures. And because of this long bureaucratic procedure, this delay develops a feeling of anger and distrust among public. Sometimes government policies can have unintended consequences. जैसे government ने decide किया कि to check the spread of infection lockdown कर दिया जाए, पर lockdown की वजह से जो migrant population है, they suffered a lot. So that was one of unintended consequences. Now there is another question for you. Should only government have the right to take action during national global healthcare crisis? जैसे हमने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में बात की कि किसी भी हेल्थ केयर क्राइसिस को मैनेज करने के लिए सिर्फ एक एजेंसी काफ़ी नहीं है. गवर्नमेंट के अलावा भी और भी एजेंसीज हैं जो इस क्राइसिस को मैनेज करने के लिए बहुत अपना इम्पोर्टेंट रोल निभाती हैं. वन सच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. अब इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का क्या रोल होता है? कोऑर्डिनेटेड ग्लोबल रिस्पॉन्स, टेक्निकल सपोर्ट एंड गाइडलाइंस, फंडिंग एंड रिसोर्स मोबिलाइजेशन, monitoring and surveillance. International organizations have resources to track the progress of the crisis or infection, और उसके basis पे they make informed decision and they share that information with rest of the world. Advocacy and awareness कि आगे फिर इस तरह का हेल्थ केयर क्राइसिस ना हो, इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, उसके लिए वो एडवोकेट करते हैं and then they spread the awareness. Capacity building. And if such a crisis happen, what are the things should be done? So उसके बारे में भी वो capacity building का role निभाते हैं. Other than international organization, society is one institution which can play a very, very important role to manage a healthcare crisis. How? Let's find out. Public adherence to health guidelines. जो भी government की हेल्थ मेजर्स होती हैं, जैसे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग है, मास्क पहनना है, क्वारंटीन है, एज अ पब्लिक यू एंड आई व्हाट वी कैन डू दैट वी मस्ट अडहेयर टू दोज गाइडलाइंस. Community support and solidarity during a crisis. Community support and solidarity with your community can play a very positive role. Promoting awareness and education. Awareness spread करने का काम सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट का नहीं होता है, सोसाइटी का भी होता है. So as a citizen we can also contribute in spreading the awareness. Adapting to change. अब लॉकडाउन हुआ, सब घर पे थे, बाहर नहीं जा सकते थे. That was a big change, but we must adapt to the change to ensure that crisis is well managed. Advocacy and pressure. If as a society member we feel that government is not doing enough to manage the crisis, we must advocate for more action and create a pressure group. Resilience and mental health support. अब लॉकडाउन हुआ और any healthcare crisis can put lot of pressure, emotional pressure, psychological pressure. So be resilient and provide mental health support to each other. So this is what society can do during healthcare crisis. So we realize that whenever there is a crisis or healthcare crisis, government plays the most important role, but government alone cannot manage it. It has to collaborate with international organizations and private sectors as well. So it has to be a combined and multilateral approach to manage the crisis. So in today's video, we talked about the role of government, role of international organization, role of society to manage a healthcare crisis. Now is the time for your task. How was WHO involved during the pandemic? Do you think they should have done something differently? If yes, what could they have done and why? That is all for today. I will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care. Happy learning.